Okay, so to save a little bit of time, I've already put January, February and March together. So in your kit, you'll get the die cut elements, and for January, you will also get this scallop square with the Happy New Year. So you just need to cut out your calendar piece. I would cut it so that you don't see the black line showing, and that way centralise it at the bottom to your layer and it will all fit nicely. And then I've added some pearls. So that's January. For February, you'll get all the die cut elements, and obviously you'll have the twine. You will have some scrap basic white cardstock, which you can use to stamp a greeting if you want to, but you will have the pink glimmer heart and the pink mirror card heart. For March, again, you'll have all the elements, but you won't have the stamped images again. So you can choose your own stamped images to put on the die cut scallop rectangle. And again, you'll have that sheet of basic white cardstock if you choose to put a greeting on. So I'm just going to put a few more together for you and show you how this all comes together. Again, for April, you'll have all these elements. You'll have your calendar, which you'll cut down, and all the matting layers are from the Memories and Maud card pack, which is all included in your kit. And you'll have all your red, white and black base layers already pre-cut for you. So what you need to do is cut your Memories and More layers down for all the 12 months, and you cut them down to 3 7/8 by 5 5/8. And if you don't know what the 8ths are, there is a video on my YouTube channel showing you how to use 8ths and 16ths on our old paper trimmer, but it's exactly the same on a new paper trimmer. So that's the first thing you need to do, cut all your Memories and More layers down. So that's going to stick on there. Then you're going to cut out your calendar month. As I say, I would cut the black outline off it. And then this is going to sit centrally to the matting layer on the bottom of the matting layer. So if you do it this way and cut the black lines off, you will have a gap then for your scallop rectangle to sit on. So this is going to sit on here like so. And again, I'm just kind of centralising it. You'll have your die cut elements included in your kit. I'm just going to put some mini dimensionals just on the back of these. For now, you can use whatever you want. And then for this one, I'm just going to use a little bit of liquid glue and pop that in like so. Obviously, you can arrange yours how you want to. So that's April. May, you've got a white base layer, and I'm using the red gingham or check. Again, I'm just cutting it, putting it centrally. I've pre-cut all my layers in readiness. And then you're going to carry on and work your way through all the months. So once these are all complete, I will take individual photographs, and all these photographs will be in the PDF that will be sent to you once you purchase the kit.